ISO 1002-2022 Customer Complaint Management System. Consultancy, implementation, training and certification support by URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +91 7359458455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. Please contact us through WhatsApp first. Hello everyone, welcome to the official YouTube channel of URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited. In today's highly competitive business environment, products and services alone are no longer enough to retain customers. What truly differentiates a successful organization is how effectively it listens to customers, handles complaints, and converts customer feedback into opportunities for control improvement. A professionally managed complaint handling process not only enhances customer satisfaction but also strengthens brand reputation, increases customer loyalty, improves operational efficiency, and supports sustainable business growth. In this video, we will discuss ISO 1002-2022 Customer Complaint Management System, its objectives, principles, benefits, implementation process, and how URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited can help your organization successfully implement and maintain an effective complaint management system. Let us begin. What is ISO 1002-2022? ISO 1002-2022 is an internationally recognized guideline that provides organizations with a structured framework for planning, designing, implementing, operating, maintaining, and continually improving a customer complaint handling process. Unlike many ISO standards, ISO 1002 is designed to improve customer satisfaction by ensuring complaints are managed fairly, consistently, efficiently, and transparently. The standard can be implemented by organizations of all sizes and sectors, including manufacturing, service industries, healthcare, banking, IT, education, logistics, government organizations, and multinational corporations. It complements other management system standards such as ISO 9001 Quality Management System, ISO 14001 Environmental Management System, ISO 45001 Occupational Health and Safety Management System, ISO 27001 Information Security Management System. ISO 1002 helps organizations build stronger customer relationships while promoting a culture of control improvement. Why customer complaint management is important? Every customer complaint provides valuable information about your product, services, or processes. Organizations that ignore complaints risk losing customers, damaging their reputation, losing market share, facing negative online reviews, missing opportunities for improvement. Organizations that effectively manage complaints can improve customer confidence, increase customer loyalty, identify process weaknesses, reduce repeat complaints, improve operational performance, enhance customer experience, build long-term business relationships. A well-managed complaint today can become tomorrow's strongest customer relationship. Objectives of ISO 1002-2022. The primary objectives of ISO 1002-2022 include improve customer satisfaction, establish a transparent complaint handling process, resolve complaints fairly and consistently, increase customer confidence, improve communication with customers, identify opportunities for control improvement, enhance organizational performance, strengthen customer relationships, protect organizational reputation, promote a customer-focused culture. Now, key principles of ISO 1002-2022. The standard is based on several important principles. Customer focus. The organization should make it easy for customers to submit complaints and ensure they receive fair treatment. Visibility. Customers should know where and how to submit complaints. Accessibility. The complaint handling process should be simple and available to all customers. Responsiveness. Complaints should be acknowledged, investigated, and resolved within defined time frames. Objectivity. Every complaint should be handled impartially and fairly. Confidentiality. Customer information should be protected throughout the complaint handling process. Accountability. Responsibilities for complaint handling should be clearly assigned. Control improvement. Complaint data should be analyzed to identify trends, root causes, and opportunities for improving products, services, and business processes. Benefits of ISO 1002-2022. Organizations implementing ISO 1002 can achieve numerous business benefits: higher customer satisfaction, stronger customer loyalty, improved customer retention, faster complaint resolution, better communication with customers, improved product and service quality, better decision making using complaint data, improved organizational efficiency, reduced operational risks, enhanced corporate image, greater stakeholder confidence, competitive advantage in national and international markets. Many leading organizations use customer complaints as a valuable source of business intelligence rather than viewing them as problems. Now, implementation process. Successful implementation generally includes step 1, conduct a gap assessment; step 2, understand customer expectations and organizational requirements; then step 3, develop complaint management policy and objectives; then step 4, prepare documented procedures and complaint handling processes; step 5 is train employees on complaint handling and customer communication; then step 6 is implement the complaint management system; step 7, monitor complaint trends and key performance indicators; step 8, conduct internal audits; step 9, carry out management review; step 10, implement corrective actions and controller improvement before certification. Now, how URGS supports your organization? At URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, we provide complete support for ISO 1002-2022 implementation. Our services include gap assessment, complaint management system design, documentation development, SOP preparation, process mapping, implementation support, employee awareness training, internal auditor training, internal audits, management review support, root cause analysis, corrective action implementation, certification coordination. Our experienced consultants provide practical, industry-specific solutions designed to improve customer satisfaction while supporting long-term business success. Industries we serve. We provide ISO 1002 consultancy and training for manufacturing, automotive, engineering, pharmaceuticals, healthcare, hospitals, food and beverage, banking, insurance, hospitality, retail, e-commerce, information technology, telecommunications, logistics, educational institutions, government organizations, infrastructure companies, service industries. Regardless of your industry, effective complaint management strengthens customer confidence and improves organizational performance. At last, conclusion and call to action. Thank you for watching this video. Customer complaints should never be viewed as obstacles. They are valuable opportunities to improve, innovate, and build lasting customer relationships. By implementing ISO 1002-2022 customer complaint management system, your organization can strengthen customer satisfaction, improve service quality, reduce recurring issues, and achieve controller business improvement. If you are planning to implement ISO 1002-2022 or wish to improve your existing complaint handling process, URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited is your trusted partner for consultancy, implementation, training, and certification support. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more professional videos on ISO standards, quality management, auditing, business excellence, customer satisfaction, ESG, and industrial compliance. For consultancy or a customized proposal, contact us today. Our email ID is info@urgsiso.com. Our mobile number is +9173 5945 8455. This is our WhatsApp number also. We are 24/7 available on WhatsApp. URGS International Certification and Inspection Private Limited, your trusted partner for ISO consultancy, training, inspection, and certification support. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to helping your organization build a customer-focused culture that transforms complaints into opportunities for excellence and sustainable growth.